Alright guys, got the car up to temp. These Tritons pretty renowned for getting the intake blocked there, so I bought this stuff here, Power Max high performance diesel applicator spray for our engines. It cleans out the intake, so you just give it you want to use about half a can into the intake and then just spray it in there so it doesn't stall out. And yeah, it'll be interesting to see if it actually helps. Just when I took the car in for a service for 100,000, yeah, they end up changing the intake off, but I've had a tune since then and got the EGR electronically blocked off and that, but just thought I'd give this stuff a go, see if it helps out. I'll show you how I go about that. So you want to take your hose clamp off your intake. Loosen that up. Out of the way, car's still running alright. I forgot to mention, you just want someone putting their foot on the accelerator till it revs are sitting around 2,000 and then spray it in there. Guys, and forgot to mention that on the can there it says if you can spray it all in there at one time without the engine stuttering, then spray it, but otherwise just do short bursts. So I've hooked the intake back up now and I'm just going to go for a quick burst around the street. Just clear the exhaust out and that should be it really. I'm going to drop the oil anyway because I'm doing this with the service, so probably a good idea if you're putting funky shit in your motor to change the oil. It does smell like it's doing something because it's quite strong, so yeah, I'll let you know how it goes guys. Cheers.